pores tend to become clogged due to inadequate cleaning, which causes fat, sweat, and dirt to accumulate. Today's video will discuss how to unclog your pores with some natural solutions. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. What happens when your pores clog? When your pores clog, they become bigger due to the substances that build up inside them. This can lead to blackhead. When your pores are dilated, they are much more noticeable. This is much anxiety and requires a range of solutions to thoroughly clean your skin and unclog them. Your regular skin cleansing routine won't do it in these cases. Solutions to unclog your pores. Exfoliations helps remove old skin cells and remain. People often try to unclog their pores by scrubbing their skin with soap or using a special brush. However, these things won't yield the desired results. There are many more effective solutions that will help you to unclog your pores and remove any accumulated dirt without irritating your skin. Here are 3 natural solutions that you should put into practice in order to get the desired result. 1. Herbal facial steam. This is one of the best way to unclog your pores. It's an essential step that will help open your pores, thus making them a lot easier to clean. If you skip this step, it will be very difficult for you to thoroughly clean your pores and release all the accumulated dirt. You must only use steam on your face for about 5 minutes. You can add chamomile, lemon balm, or even lavender to the water you use to steam your face. Number 2. Hot compresses. The heat helps open pores to allow you to clean them appropriately. After 5 minutes of steaming your face, you should carefully clean your pores. In case the pores of a particular area, such as nose, are not open enough, you can use a hot compress. Soak the compress in the water you use to make the facial steam and apply it on the affected area for a few minutes. Then repeat the procedure with tissues to finally remove any blockage you may have. 3. A clay mask to unclog your pores. This is the last step after completing the first 2. Clay masks leave the skin very smooth, clean and renewed. However, it's important to not leave the mask on your face for too long because it can irritate it and damage it if you have sensitive skin. Although you can find many different clay masks in any supermarket, you can also make your own at home. We recommend not applying this mask more than once every 15 days. How do you care for your skin? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.